Hey there! So, today we're going to talk about dark circles and concealing them. You know me, I got dark circles for days. It is a hereditary thing. I do have the color correcting tinted moisturizer on right now, but I'm going to show you Candlelight ShadowSense versus the light concealer. They both are amazing. Depends on what you're looking to do, but let's just do a quick little demo. So you can take a brush such as this, take it right off the wand, and pat it into place on the eye like so. Now I already do have the eye illuminator eye cream on. Okay, and I am patting this all over because you can also use Candlelight as a shadow, and I'm going to do another video in a minute of a shadow look. Alright, so I'm basically putting this all over where I have dark circles, which is all over. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways that you can do it. A lot of people like to go V down. A lot of people like to go where you have darkness only. Personal preference, blend in. Now, if your eye is a very dry eye area, you can get some crepiness because the ShadowSense does not have as much moisturizer as the light concealer. So, we're going to do the light concealer next and let you see the difference. ShadowSense and Candlelight. You can also use it in Sandstone Pearl. Now the concealer in light, you don't need a lot at all, but I'm going to do my ring finger for this, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. You can also do it with a brush, whatever your preference is, and you can pat it in just like so. Corner. You can also use it as a shadow base. Both products have the anti-aging Cineplex Complex formulation in them. So you're going to get anti-aging benefits to both of them. You're going to get the mechanical sunscreen equivalent to SPF 15 without the chemicals that a typical sunscreen has. Both of them work fantastically. The difference is the light concealer is a little bit more dewy, moisturizing, and blendable. You can also use it as a shadow. Alright, I get up close here so you can see, except for maybe the lighting is maybe a little bit too bright. So on this side is the light concealer. This side is the ShadowSense in Candlelight. Alright, now I did it all over as a shadow base also. See what you think. Give me your comments below, and yeah, they're both pretty awesome. Alright guys, thanks for joining.